My friends, it's Sean Vigue, SeanVigueFitness.com. Oh, the sun. The sun is so good. How you doing today? Thanks for clicking on this video. And this is low back stretches, beginner gentle low back stretches. Also, well, pretty much the entire back, building blood flow, flexibility, mobility, and hopefully dealing with some low back pain that you've been having. I'm so glad that we can do this together. Check in below, and here we go. Okay. A little breezy today out here in the Rockies, but we do what we can. We train whenever we can. Let's come back to child's pose first. A definitely very popular pose. We're going to breathe in the nose and out the nose. We got about 10 minutes to make history here. So press it back. Relax down, relax the arms. Let's take 5 deep breaths in the nose and out the nose. Think of inflating your entire midsection. Relax the armpits down, relax the arms. Let your tailbone reach back here. Woo! Oh, we're just showing that low back. All right, one more deep breath. Good, excellent. Let's press up to hands and knees position. Tuck in that shirt. Oh, you better tuck in that shirt. Hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. This is the cat stretch. I'm gonna inhale, I'm gonna tuck my chin, I'm gonna round my upper back up. Think of it as articulating the spine from top to bottom. 2 more breaths right here. Relax the neck, pull the abdominals in as you exhale. Get a nice little ab squeeze. And now the cow. And now the cow. Drop the stomach down. Roll the shoulders back. Take your eyes right over there. Look at that tree stump. 2 more breaths. Get a nice U curve in the spine. Those pesky neighbors going by. And again, round up into cat. Articulate the spine like a bendy straw. 3 breaths. Tilt your elbows in. And once again into the cow. How does that feel? Do you feel some release in the back? Maybe an adjustment, a cavitation. 3 breaths. Relax the jaw, relax the face. We want circulation. We want blood flow in our back, those big back muscles. All right, relax, a little shake out. I guess we'll call this dog after bath. Shake it out. Okay. Now take the knees a little wider. We're going to do child's pose again with a side bend. You'll like this one. Watch this. Press back. So we want length in the spine. Relax the shoulders. Pull the shoulders back towards your hips. So we're not constricting up here in the back. Now walk the hands over to your left. And you're going to take this right arm, reach it across, and I want you to extend it out like so, right onto the asphalt. 5 breaths. So we have the length in the spine with the bend, and all the way down the right side. Are you feeling that on your right side? Sink your tailbone back as you reach your fingers forward. Oh, very good. One more breath. Lengthen that spine. Decompress your spine, my friend. And your life shall improve unanimously. Okay, walk to the other side. Shake the little pebbles off of your hands. That's very important. Now walk over here to the right. Left arm over and reach through the left arm. 5 breaths. You can move a little side to side, a little forward and back. Keep limbering up your body. That's going to youthen. We're constantly youthening our bodies. Taking years off. Good. Let the stretch settle in. One more breath. In the nose, out the nose. My nose is stuffy because I'm all choked up. I get so emotional with these stretches. Woo! All right. Back to the center. Let's add a back bend to this. All those inversions forward. So come on down onto the mat. Start with the forearms down, elbows under the shoulders. Draw the shoulders back. Our classic Sphinx pose. You see this in a lot of my beginner yogas workouts because it opens up the back. You get a nice extension in the legs. You open up the chest. Let's do 3 breaths. I think there's elk down in my yard. Maybe they'll come up and say hi. I love when they do that. I love it. Elk yoga. Good. Draw the shoulders back. Feel a little curve in your lower back, opening up your airways, opening up the anterior part of your body too, the front. Okay, a Superman stretch. Lower down and reach forward, reach back. A little traction on the spine. 2 breaths. Okay, once more. Uh-oh, my nose is stuck. Forearms down, or if you want to go further, this is an option, you can do an upward facing dog. Hands are on the shoulders, you lift up here into cobra or all the way up. Knees can be off the mat. This is definitely a little more advanced, so you don't have to do this one, but I like to show you the road forward. There's always more. It's like Route 66 back in the day. There's always something to get your kicks with. A new pose, a new stretch, a new exercise just waiting for you to do and to expand. One more breath. Oh, so good, so good. All right, child's pose again, or you can do downward facing dog. That's a little more challenging option. I know this is a beginner flow, but I like to give you beginner with, again, the possibilities coming up. There's something embedded in my hand. You keep going. Good. Yoga with pebbles. With the inhale, it's rock forward from either position, child's or down dog. Exhale, sink back. A lot of times low back pain or back pain can be pinpointed to tight hamstrings. Back here. Do 2 more of these pulses. Inhale forward. Exhale back. And you notice we're targeting the back muscles, but these poses, they target the entire body. Work your entire body. Loosen it together as a whole, and you will have success. All right, let's finish off here. Bring the left foot forward, low lunge. Slide that right knee back. You're welcome to stay here or add a twist. This right hand is down. This arm comes up or to your lower back. 5 breaths with each exhale. Twist a little further as you slide that right leg back. Notice I'm sinking my hip down a little bit. I'm getting an extra tug on my hip flexor. That could be another big one. Tight hip flexors, tight hamstrings. Or if they're imbalanced, hip flexors and hamstrings, press into your back, causing a lot of mayhem. All right, down dog. Misalignment. You want to keep your body in alignment. Okay, we have child's pose or down dog when you're ready. Right foot forward, slip that left knee back. Lunge is working the quad, stretching the hip flexor. And then if you wish, you can also add the twist, rotating, getting some nice movement, mobility in the back. 5 breaths. Movement, 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 my friends. Good functional movement. Definitely gets to the root cause of a lot of problems that we have. How's that feel? You like that twist? Do you twist much during the day? Very important. take the knees down. You can cross the legs or sit on the heels. I'm going to add a little extra here. Shoulder rolls, lift and lower. Let me know below which one of these stretches was your favorite. Which one had the most impact? And if this video helped, hit that like button. I love that. Subscribe. And let's do one more. Shoom. And it's me, Sean Vigue, SeanVigueFitness.com, in my driveway. Actually, more on my driveway. Thanks so much for doing those stretches with me. I hope you feel better. Stay consistent. Have a good time. And let's go down here to the ice rink.
Stop! That man is Carson Dial.
Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.